Okay, this is topic number 6, excretory system definition. The organ system responsible for the excretion is known as a excretory system. So the organ which involved in the excretion of waste product from the body is called excretory system. Excretion, the process of removing the waste product from the body is called excretion. So the process which is responsible for the removal of extra waste product from the body is called excretion. Now, exogenous materials, salts, carbon dioxide is a byproduct, metabolic breaking down of sugar, fats, proteins. When these organic compound break down, so as a result of this metabolic breaking of these three organic compound, these waste products, salts, carbon dioxide, and nitrogenous waste are produced. If these toxic waste accumulate in the body, they may cause damage. So the process of removing the waste product from the body is called excretion. So excretion is the main process which is responsible for removal of these three products. The organ system responsible for the excretion is known as excretory system or urinary system. The excretory system remove non-solid waste through sweat, urine, and exhalation. So exhalations, the non-solid products are in liquid form, and non-solid means liquid or vapors. So the water vapors remove during breathing. Exhalation means removing of air from the body, and urination, liquid, sweat. So these products are released in the form of liquid or vapors. Now, the human urinary system consists of the following parts: a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder, urethra. Human kidney. Location: human body possesses a pair of kidney attached to the dorsal body wall. Dorsal body wall means back side of the body wall in abdominal cavity, just below the diaphragm. Diaphragm is the membrane, muscular membrane surround lungs, liver, and heart. So the diaphragm is the muscular membrane which form the whole chest cavity and surround organs present in the chest cavity. For example, the liver, the heart, the lungs, etc. Position: the left kidney is little higher than the right one. Color: kidney are dark brown in color. Shape of the kidney is a kidney are bean shape. Peritoneum: both kidneys are enclosed in a thin membrane called peritoneum. So the membrane or the layer surrounding the kidney is called peritoneum. Size: length 10 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Blood supply: blood is supplied by renal artery and removed by renal vein. So the blood vessel responsible, the blood which carry the blood vessel which carry the blood to kidney is called renal artery, and after filtration of the blood and the clean blood then remove from the kidney and shift back to liver is called renal vein. On the concave side of the kidney, there is depression called hilus. It is the point where the renal artery enters the kidney and renal vein leave the kidney. So concave side depression, the depression of the kidney is called hilus. At this point, renal artery enter and the renal vein leave the kidney. Ureter is a narrow tube which arises from the hilus position of the kidney. It connects kidney with the urinary bladder. Urine which is produced in kidney is brought with the urinary bladder through these tubes. So the ureter are the tubes that travel or transfer the urine from the kidney to urinary bladder. So in this sense, we can say that urinary bladder and kidney are connected by the ureters. Urinary bladder is an oval sac-like. Oval sac-like means egg-like. Oval sac-like structure which store the urine for some time. So urinary bladder is an oval or sac-like structure that store the urine for removal. Urethra is a muscular tube arises from the urinary bladder, is known as urethra, and Urethra is the tube that carry urine from the urinary bladder to the outside of the body. So the final or the narrow tube that remove urine from the body is called urethra. Now this is the external structure of urinary system. Urinary system consists of two kidneys, and these are the adrenal gland. These glands are present on the top of the kidney. This is the right kidney, this is the left kidney, and this is the renal vein. And this depression is called the hilus. At this point, the renal vein and the renal artery are connected with the kidney. So renal vein leave the kidney and renal artery enter the kidney. So vena cava, this is the dorsal aorta, and this is the urinary bladder, and this is the urethra, the narrow tube that release urine from the body. Now, internal structure of kidney. A longitudinal section of the kidney show that it consists of two regions, renal cortex and renal medulla. So renal cortex is the outer dark region is called renal cortex. In renal medulla, the inner higher region is known as renal medulla. Renal pyramid. Medulla consists of several cone-shaped area called renal pyramids projecting into funnel-shaped cavity called renal pelvis. So the renal cortex and then the renal medulla. Inner to the renal medulla, there is a cone-shaped structures. These cone-shaped structures are called renal pyramids, which then finally projected into a sac-like structure is called renal pelvis. Renal pelvis, in the center of the medulla, there is a cavity or chamber, which is the upper expanded portion of the ureter called renal pelvis. The diagram shows the internal structure of kidney, and this outer light region is called the renal cortex. This is the cortex region. The outer region is called the renal cortex, and then the inner portion is called renal medulla. This is the renal medulla consists of pyramidal shaped structures. These pyramidal shaped structures are called renal pyramid. These are the pyramids, renal pyramids. In the sac-like structure, in the center of the medulla, there is a sac-like structures. This sac-like structure is called the renal pelvis. This sac-like structure is called the renal pelvis. So this is all about the internal and external structure of kidney. So dear cadets, if you have any question, comment me. I will give answer. Thank you.